Reading Era, Understanding the Signs of Times. Speak about civilization, a cycle multiply in each era. There are dark conditions and light conditions. All are inseparable from the scenario and the law of the Lord. We should be able to realize this, to understand our conditions. Is it in the night or day? Because at this point, our activities are affected by the conditions that really determines what we should do and how to react, such as the forecast from Joyoboyo, Indonesian prophecy. Jamane jaman edan, sing ora edan ora bakal keduman. Nanging sak bejo-bejone wong edan, isih luwih bejo wong kang elin lan waspada. It means that the insane era will come. People who don't follow it won't get anything. But no matter how lucky they are, people with awareness and vigilance are the luckiest. Nusantara is a nation that has a great historical background. There were many ancestors who were capable to read conditions. Is it on glory or adversity? There are many forecasts that have been stated. One of them is predicting the conditions or signs of the era. Once again, we need to realize how we can understand this condition, both natural and social conditions.
Jongko Joyoboyo predicted conditions 500 years later. There are hundreds of bombs delivered, and many of them have been fulfilled today, such as besok yen wis ono kreta tanpa jaran. Later, there will be horseless carriages. Tanah Jawa kalungan wesi. There's a lot of ironclad in Java. Pasar ilang kumandangi. The market lost its crowd. Tukang mangan suap soyo ndrodro. Bribers are increasingly rampant. Hukum agama dilanggar. Religious law is violated. Pangkat dadi pemikat. Authority became preferred. Wong wadon lacur ing ngendi-endi. Prostitutions everywhere. Akeh ibu padha ngedol anake. Mothers sell their children. Akeh pangkat sing jahat lan ganjil. Officials are evil and odd. Wong wadon nganggo pakaian lanang. Women dressed like men. Akeh janji ora ditetepi. Promises were not kept. Akeh wong wani nglanggar sumpahe dhewe. People break their own oath. Iku tandane yen wong bakal nemoni wolak-walik ing jaman. Those are signs of people who will experience an era of ups and downs. Besides that, if we learn from the history of the Lord's apostles in fulfilling the epoch, they also teach the same thing. Are we willing to take lessons?
Then, are we ready to deal with it? As exemplified in the characters of Lord, in He rules over the nature, as the Holy Book in Him demonstrates the law of His love and affection. Time is not linear or in a straight line, isn't it? The linear is in nature conditions. Dark in nature conditions greatly affect the conditions of the creatures on it. Night creatures are different with the creatures in the daylight. including affected the way of thinking and human social conditions. Dark conditions will affect leaders who do not understand universal values, or in the Holy Book are said to be zalim, wrongdoers. The adultery of ideology, resulting in the destructions of the order of life in society, which affected the imperialism of the nations. Night will not last forever. It will change to light conditions, as a symbol of knowledge or light that gives enlightenment in giving just and wise leader. Improvement of national conditions. The changes of the world's leadership system. The creation of a new world order. Tata titi tentrem Kerto Raharjo dadi kiblaté dunya. Are we in day conditions, or night, or in transition to the alternations of era? Let's increase awareness of thinking to be the lucky person.
As quoted in Surah Ali Imran, indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for those of understanding.
Are we among those who maximize the mind?
Ali Imran, verse 103. And hold firmly to the rope of Allah altogether and do not become divided. And remember the favor of Allah upon you when you were enemies, and He brought your hearts together, and you became by His favor brothers, and you were on the edge of a pit of the fire, and He saved you from it. Thus does Allah make clear to you His verses that you may be guided.
Do you want to be saved?